Hi guys, it's your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Let's make this simple tortilla wrap, okay? So all I needed was my tortilla or Lebanese bread and a bowl of salad. That's all. So you just assemble it, roll and then grill it in the grill pan, or just enjoy it without grilling, okay? So making tortilla wraps is the simplest, especially if you follow this recipe. So I just added some sausage and then make it more creamier by adding some ketchup and some salad cream. Yeah, so be gentle about the rolling, and guys, we are done. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's the doing of the Lord, and it's so marvelous in my eyes. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime we post a new video, you will be notified, okay? Just look at that. Very simple to make, yet tastes amazingly great. It's delicious, and this is what I mostly enjoy as breakfast all through this my weight loss journey, and it's very good, guys. Please try it, okay? If you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up, like, comment, and please subscribe so we grow together. Just look at it. I so love it because it's the quickest and the simplest to make, okay? Thank you guys, and see us whilst we enjoy our tortilla wrap. Bye bye.